HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is like the blueprint of the internet. It's the language that web developers use to create web pages that you see on the internet. Just like how a recipe has ingredients and instructions, HTML has tags that define how a web page should look and what elements it should contain. Think of a web page as a puzzle, and HTML is the glue that holds all the pieces together. It's like a recipe that tells your computer how to display a web page correctly. For example, it can tell your computer to display text, images, videos, and links in a specific way. HTML has evolved over time, and the latest version is HTML5. It has become simpler and more efficient, allowing web developers to create advanced and interactive websites with less code. Even though many websites today are generated dynamically using server-side scripting languages, they still rely on HTML to format the content that is sent to your web browser. So, the next time you visit a web page, remember that it's built using HTML, the language that brings the internet to life.